Hey guys, what's up? It's Dan again from CryptoCamacho.com. And hey guys, have you ever been extremely frustrated when you find an ICO that is just the best and the awesomest ICO you've ever seen? You go and you want to purchase those tokens, and you go to click on purchase tokens of a particular ICO, and you find out that, nope, you're a US citizen. You cannot purchase and participate in this ICO. Has that ever happened to you guys? It's happened to me, and it has frankly just pissed me off because I've been so close to pulling the trigger on multiple ICOs, and then I get up to the point where I put in all my information and I go to actually purchase the ICO, and it tells me, oh, you're a US resident, you cannot purchase this ICO, blah, 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 blah. So if you guys haven't known, ICOs are right now being really scrutinized by the SEC. You know, cryptocurrency in general is really being scrutinized by the SEC, by the US government, by the financial world in general. Right now, the SEC is drafting rules to, weed out scammy ICOs that, may harm others and so forth. And so because of that, there's many ICOs that actually will not let US citizens participate in the ICO, right? And that can be frustrating. Even sometimes when the ICO is based within the United States itself, you cannot participate in that ICO if you are a US resident. So to say the least, I mean, that is super, super annoying, very annoying, right? It happened to me when I wanted to actually go and purchase Crowd Machine tokens. Crowdmachine.com, it's one of the coolest ICOs, one of the ICOs that I think has the most potential in 2018, 2019. I mean, this is a game-changing technology that they're trying to build out. And when I was trying to join the pre-sale and actually buy ICO tokens from Crowd Machine, I actually received this email. This email right here says, Crowd Machine whitelist U.S. residents. We notice that you are a United States resident. Unfortunately, due to U.S. regulatory uncertainty, you are unable to participate in the pre-sale period. So just because I'm a U.S. citizen, I was unable to participate in the pre-sale of Crowd Machine's ICO, right? That really frustrated me. So what did I do? I turned to a tool called TunnelBear. So what is TunnelBear? TunnelBear, I brought it before on a video in the past. What TunnelBear lets you do, it lets you anonymously browse the internet using a private VPN, a cloud-based VPN that lets you basically browse the internet and select whatever country you want to be based in. So you can basically mask the fact that you are a United States citizen, and you can basically tell, your internet service provider that you're coming from England or from India or from wherever you want in the world. All you have to do is go and sign up to TunnelBear.com. It's relatively inexpensive to sign up. It's free if you want to transfer over 500 megabytes. So it's free for the test plan. I definitely recommend you go and you check out the test plan. $9.99 a month for additional data, but go ahead and check it out. What TunnelBear will give you the ability to do, it'll give you the ability to purchase ICOs even if you're a U.S. citizen, for those ICOs that are excluding U.S. citizens to participate in those ICOs. Why? Because what's being done is whenever you go to a website, your IP address basically tells the site where you're coming from, right? So my IP address is based in the United States. It's based in California, right? So what TunnelBear does is TunnelBear actually grabs an IP address from a different country. It masks your IP address that you're currently using from your ISP, your internet service provider, and it pretends or fakes it that you're using an IP address from a different country, therefore tricking the system or the website that you are not a U.S. citizen. So this is one way to get around being a United States citizen and wanting to participate in ICOs. Now, guys, definitely talk to your lawyers, I guess, about this if you have concerns. I personally don't have any concerns. VPNs are very, very common. You can actually go and buy a physical VPN from the store. What TunnelBear is, it's actually just a cloud-based VPN, so you don't actually have to buy any hardware. It's at a very, very good price, and this is a way to get around being banned from participating in ICOs. I've been using it. It's phenomenal. For $10 a month, you cannot beat the price. And actually, one quick note on this is that recently, if you search for TunnelBear acquisition, you'll notice that McAfee, John McAfee, right, one of the biggest cryptocurrency enthusiast proponents now today, he recently acquired the VPN company TunnelBear, just like a month ago, like about a month ago, I saw this. I was going to make a video about it, but I haven't had a chance. But they purchased it, right? So Mr. John McAfee is bullish on TunnelBear. He sees value in it. He sees that other people in the cryptocurrency space are going to start using VPNs like this as more privacy, security, so forth become more mainstream. And when people are now requiring privacy, requiring security, you know, wanting the government to get out of their business, to get out of their hair, what they're doing, John McAfee sees the value in TunnelBear. I see the value in TunnelBear because you can actually participate in ICOs and other things, even if you're a U.S. citizen. So check it out, guys, tunnelbear.com. I'll leave the link in the show notes below in the description box. I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. If you haven't checked out TunnelBear, I definitely recommend you go check it out. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do by clicking on that little red button underneath the video right there. Nope, I'm not flipping you off. Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not trying to flip you off. I'm trying to make you click that little red button, because when you click that little button, guess what happens? The next time you're on YouTube and I publish a new video, you're going to see that video come up first and foremost. And also, you're also going to get an email anytime I publish a new video with new content, which could be timely, right? Because I do make recommendations to buy different cryptocurrencies at different times. So you want to definitely get on board with that and be subscribed to my channel. Again, I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And guys, I'm out. Till next time. See you.